A weather app is not only one of the most basic apps you can build as a developer, but also one of the most important apps you can build. This is because you will learn programming concepts such as state management, APIs, effects and lifecycle, handling user input, data transformation, and of course the most important part of your application, which is UI design. It's your lucky day because these are the exact concepts we're going to learn in this video, because we're going to complete the weather app challenge from Frontend Mentor, and here is a demo of the finished application. First of all, we have a sleek UI which has been provided to us by Frontend Mentor. Very nice. Next, we have a units toggle so that you can choose between metric units, and if you are part of the 1% of the world that uses imperial units, then you also have an option for that. We also have a search input, which will give you a drop down of the places that have the name that you have typed in, and then you can select the one that you want, and this will also update the weather that you are shown in the application, and it updates all over the application. And then we have the daily forecast and the hourly forecast as well. And last but not least, we have a loading state for our entire application. If you want access to the code that we're going to write in this video, simply check for the GitHub link in the description, which is right below the like button and the subscribe button. Let's begin.